Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana Lesson 6. Leina Lameketian.
Lina la Mpho.
And we are here to teach you some Setswana. So, a re simole.
Re simolotse rra.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 Minute Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta!
Today we're talking about numbers. You obviously have formal words for numbers in Setswana.
Yes, we do.
With that being said, I do notice that a lot of Setswana speakers have trouble accessing very quickly a large number in the native language. For instance, if I ask someone, please tell me in Setswana, what is 138? It seems like almost a sentence forming.
It is true. We most of the time borrow and say 110
Okay.
or 210.
This to me is wonderful. Just saying 1,348 is great. But let's just take from 1 to 10, because I think this would be a good opportunity to teach the learners and the listeners just a little bit about the Tswana numbers. So what is the Tswana word for 1?
Nngwe.
Nngwe.
Yes, prolong of an N.
Okay, I see that on the
Nngwe.
notes. A double N. Yes.
Double N, yes.
Nngwe.
Nngwe.
All right.
Yes.
And the word for 2?
Pedi.
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 Yes.
Okay. And the word for 3?
Tharo.
Taro.
My voice went down.
Taro.
Tharo.
Taro.
Yes.
Starting to pick up when Mpho's voice gradually goes up in volume and gradually goes down, and as well in pitch as well. And the word for 4?
Nne.
Ne.
Yes.
Double N. Okay. What is 5?
Tlhano.
Tlhano. TH there.
Yes.
Tlhano.
TLH.
Sorry. TLH. That's
Yes.
right. That's right. Tlhano.
Tlhano.
All right. What is the word for 6?
Tataro.
Tataro.
Yes, perfect.
Okay. And the word for 7?
Supa,
Super. That's easy to remember.
but it's supa.
Super. Okay. Super. And what is 8?
Robedi,
Robedi. Okay. Once again, your voice went up in
And
pitch
down.
and in volume. At the end with the I. Robedi.
yes.
Okay. And what is 9?
Robongwe,
Robongwe.
yes.
And let's just go up to 10 today. What is 10?
Lesome,
Lesome.
yes.
Okay. Now, these words are easily recognized by Tswana speakers.
Yes.
All right. So now we want to start utilizing these numbers in sentences. So, last week we learned brother, sister, mother, father, these types of nouns. Now, if I introduce myself to someone, I would like to carry the conversation a bit further and say, for instance, I have one brother, or I have a brother. Now, how would I say that?
Ke na le abuti. Na le have.
There's just the one N, na, and the le, 2 words, but sort of forms a phrase, have to have something.
Have, yes.
Okay. So can I, for instance, say, ke na le pene?
Great.
Ke na le pene.
Yes.
I have a pen.
I have a pen.
Okay. Now, we wanted to say, I have a brother, so ke na le abuti.
Perfect.
All right. Now, if I were to say I have 2 brothers, would it be ke na le pedi buti or something?
No, that's wrong.
All right.
I will definitely fail you.
Okay.
You say ke na le bo abuti ba babedi.
That is so much Tswana. All right.
It's actually 2 sentences. Ke na le,
Yes, yes, yes.
I have bo abuti,
Okay.
brothers.
Okay, so hold on. The bo in front of the abuti refers to it being plural. It just became more than one.
More than one.
Okay. Now, that's the first part of the sentence. I have brothers.
Yes.
All
The
right.
second part, ba babedi.
Okay, so hold on. What is babedi?
Babedi, it's 2.
Ah, okay. The ba would then,
Be a linking word.
you can't obviously just say, ke na le bo abuti babedi.
No.
Now, this is my question, because let's say I'm at the beginning of just learning Setswana and I just want to add my 1, 2, 3 or 448. How would I say that?
Do you mean if you want to put an English word to?
That's right.
Okay, you will be saying ke na le bo abuti ba by 2.
Okay.
But this is actually use a street lingo.
Oh, was that more informal?
Yes.
Okay, so we wouldn't write that down in a test
Not at
if
all.
we... Okay.
You will fail.
All right. Now, let's say I have 3 brothers.
In Setswana, or are you introducing English?
Let's do the Setswana first.
With the Setswana. Ke na le bo abuti ba bararo.
Ba bararo. All right, this is going to take some practice. Let's say I met you on the street and I spoke a little bit of broken Setswana.
Yes.
And I said, Mpho, ke na le abuti i3. Now that's obviously mistaken, but you would understand.
I will definitely understand
Yes.
what you're saying to me. And it is important for Botswana speaking people, immediately you meet somebody and you see a person is willing to learn, to correct a person immediately.
Yes. I have to say that my wife, for instance, wants to learn a language perfectly before she starts using it. And I think that's the worst thing you can do, because by making mistakes, first of all, you're practicing.
Yes.
Second of all, you learn. And never in my life have I met a native speaker in French or Spanish that gave me a weird attitude because I didn't speak correctly. They always have grace because they understand that you're learning the language.
That's true. That's
Okay,
true.
so just a word of advice. Let's regard that as a tip of the week.
And a person shouldn't actually feel guilty of making mistakes.
Absolutely, absolutely. This concludes part 1 of lesson 6.